Welcome to our new video. Here, we'll show you how to use the Data Touch dashboard. Once you sign into Data Touch, the dashboard opens automatically. Here, you'll see all the sources available to you, based on your role. This makes it easy to get a quick overview of key metrics, distribution of columns, sensitive types, and consumers within each source. On the sources list, the first 10 sources are displayed as bar charts, showing counts for sensitive types, sensitive columns, and non-sensitive columns. You can interact with these charts by using the full screen button to enlarge them for better visibility. Additionally, by clicking on the labels, you can add or remove specific values to customize your view. For the distribution of consumers chart, you can also apply data filters to tailor the results as needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your data with the Data Touch.